Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, quick little video. Tired right now, Monday night. Anyways, had a problem with my brand new motorcycle helmet. The end plate that holds the visor and everything on, it was broke. I reached out to the company. It's HJC and they're out of California. And shout out to Matthew over there. Hey, appreciate what he wound up doing. Talked to him on the phone, told him what the problem was I had. He goes, not a problem. What's your name, address, all that kind of stuff. I'll send you new ones free of charge. That's what he did. He wound up sending them to me. So even though this one on the left hand side is still good, I'm going to take it off and we're going to install brand new ones. So it's simple and easy. Couple of screws on each one. We've got that one. And that one, oh, it went flying, but I got it. So I got that one. There's this one here. And all you need is a slotted screwdriver. That's how simple and easy this is. So it's just these little pieces here on the side. Mine was totally broke and everything. So he wanted to send me some brand new ones, which I appreciate. I'll open it up here, get them out, and we'll get them installed, and get that way the visor and everything. I can start wearing it. I mean, I've got my other helmet. It's a full face modular. The only thing is, when it's warm and everything, I prefer wearing that one, or this style, the 3/4. I get more airflow. So, as you can tell, I just got through opening this up. There's those. Okay. So, yep. There's that one, so we'll get that one put on, and we'll get the other one put on that is actually broke. So these are simple. I mean, you know, each manufacturer is going to have their own. So we can get this to line up and start again. Of course, I got a mosquito wanting to say hello. Look, I'm, you know, here I am. Here's my dinner. Of course, having carpal tunnel, this does not help at all. Right, that one got started. We got lined up correctly. That one's done. Now I've got this one. And then we'll switch over to the other side. And we'll get this one put on. Which I happen to have the screws right over here. So yeah, this is how simple and easy it is just to change them out. I mean, as you can tell, it's going to take me all that long. I'll have brand new pieces put on. And the visor will work again. But like I said, I appreciate Matthew over there at HJC. Like I said, they're out of California. Like I said, I was not expecting this. And it didn't take them all that long to get them shipped out. Maybe 5 or 6 days, something like that. I'm going, that's not bad. I cannot complain. I mean, I can't complain. I don't know what good it would do. So there's that one. This is the one that was actually broke. And a lot of the mechanism and everything was like missing. So you got a certain way of doing this. I'm gonna pull back to release. Yeah. There's that one. There's that one there. It's got that locked in. Make sure I get all this done correctly. And that's it. It's locked into place. And now, as you can tell, I got my visor. It'll stay on. There you go. So that's how easy it is to replace the side brackets. I don't. He called them something. I don't remember exactly what it was. But it's a piece to hold the visor itself on your helmet. Like I say, you can tell it's not that hard to change them out. You see how long it took me. But anyways, like I said, big shout out to Matthew over there for what he did and everything. I appreciate it. It's going to get me back to riding with this helmet again. Because I spent $100 on it back in May. It's like, I don't want to have to trash it now because of this. Hey, simple and easy fix. But anyways, there you go. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit that bell, and also check it out. I will be posting this over on Instagram on Mater's Workshop over there. So, see y'all later.